Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're coming across an issue with error code 0x80070308 on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer, and message reads Windows couldn't complete the requested changes. The client of a component requested an operations which is not valid given the state of the component instance with the error code 0x80070308. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on the search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung troubleshoot settings. And i-click mo lang dito yung open. So dito sa troubleshoots, under dito sa options ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung other troubleshooters. So i-click lang natin yan. And dito sa other troubleshooters, under dito sa most frequent, ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Windows Update. And dito lang sa right side, makikita mo dito yung run. So, kailangan mo lang i-click tong run. And wait natin na ma-complete yung detecting problems, initializing, and diagnostic process. Okay, so makikita mo na dito na troubleshooting has completed. And next step, so close lang natin tong troubleshooters. And dito lang ulit sa search menu, click mo lang yan. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung CMD. Or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na sfc /scan now. So in all small letter lahat, and then yung /scan now ay one word yan, and then press mo lang yung enter. At makikita mo na dito na beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So dito ay kailangan lang natin hintayin na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, makikita mo na dito na verifications 100% complete. And next step, so close lang natin tong CMD. At dito lang sa start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix Windows Update error code 0x80070308 in Windows 10 and Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.